how to stop Temu notifications. Hello, everybody. If you guys would like to stop Temu notifications, you may follow up the steps. So you can adjust the notification settings within the app itself or manage them through your phone settings. For now, let's head over the app and open it up. Now, once you open up your app, you need to be logged in. After that, you can tap on the U option, usually in the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and from there, look at the settings icon in the top right corner. After you open up settings here, select the option called notifications from the given options and tap on it. And from when you head over to this section right here, you will be finding different notifications available. So what you can do is simply turn it off manually. So if you do not want the promotion notification, tap on it, tap on edit right beside it. And once you tap on it, here we have this option. So you can basically turn it off by tapping on this toggle option like this and turn it off. Or you can basically tap on in-app notifications, tap on it, and you won't be receiving any kind of notifications, even promotions, push, or anything from your Temu app. And that's it. So therefore, this is how you do it. If you'd like to do it from the phone settings, you may close this up and then head over to the Temu app. Long press on it, go to the info section at the top, and from here, go to notifications, and I'll look out for this option called show notifications. Just go ahead and turn it off by tapping on the toggle option right here. And that is how you stop your Temu notifications on your device. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to stop your notifications from Temu on your device, you may head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.